Welcome to our comparison of two popular CUCKOO rice cookers. Today, we will explore the CUCKOO CR-0675FW, which boasts a 6-cup uncooked capacity and 13 menu modes, and the CUCKOO CR-0375FG, a compact 3-cup uncooked rice cooker. We'll dive into their features, pricing, and what makes each of them unique. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the CUCKOO CR-0675FW is priced at $129, while the CUCKOO CR-0375FG offers a more budget-friendly option at $109. This price difference may influence your decision depending on your budget and cooking needs. In terms of cooking capacity, the CUCKOO CR-0675FW can cook up to 12 cups of rice, making it ideal for larger families or gatherings. On the other hand, the CUCKOO CR-0375FG has a smaller capacity of 6 cups cooked, which is perfect for individuals or small households. Consider how much rice you typically prepare when choosing between these two models. Feature-wise, the CUCKOO CR-0675FW comes equipped with 13 menu modes, including options for different rice types and cooking styles, along with an auto-clean feature. In contrast, the CUCKOO CR-0375FG offers versatility as a food steamer and includes a delay timer and keep warm setting, making it a great all-around kitchen appliance. Depending on your cooking preferences, one may suit your needs better than the other. In conclusion, both CUCKOO rice cookers have their unique advantages. The CR-0675FW is perfect for larger families with its higher capacity and numerous cooking modes, while the CR-0375FG is a great choice for those looking for a compact, versatile cooker at a lower price. Whichever you choose, both are designed to make your cooking experience easier and more enjoyable. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.